Welcome to 32 Tansy Avenue and easy condo living at the hills at Crockett Farm. Privately situated, this well-designed move-in condition Stratham contemporary condo has an expansive, flexible floor plan with a dedicated first floor primary suite that's sure to please. Open concept kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and breakfast bar with seating for two. Dining room with lots of natural light, plantation shutters, and room for everyone. Enjoy coffee in the morning and evening sunsets from your rear-round sunroom with wood flooring, serene wooded views, and direct entry slider out to the private rear deck. Additional entertaining space in your oversized living room with vaulted ceiling and gas fireplace. Enjoy a spacious first floor bedroom with transom windows, oversized walk-in closet, ensuite bath featuring double sinks, jacuzzi tub, and walk-in closet. Ascend to the second floor where you'll find an open loft, two sizable bedrooms, full bath, and a walk-in storage unit. Plenty of additional space in the daylight walkout basement. Oversized rec room with luxury vinyl flooring and windows throughout, offering lots of natural light. Only minutes from quintessential downtown Exeter, Portsmouth, local library, hospital, beaches, shopping, and highways. Enjoy the Crockett Farm lifestyle with surrounding ponds and walking paths directly connecting to Stratham Hill Park. This move-in condition home offers the feel of a single family with the benefits of condo living and a well-maintained, pet-friendly development. Schedule your showing today.